Hi friends, this video shows how to pair Canon EOS 150 camera with mobile phone. Okay, so first we have to enable Bluetooth in mobile phone. So let me enable Bluetooth in this mobile phone. Okay, done. Then we have to install Canon Camera Connect app from Google Play Store. I already installed it. Let me open it. Tap on open. Okay, done. Then in camera, select fourth option from top, go to menu and select fourth option from top, then select option 1, then select connect to smartphone, the first option in this list, then select add a device to connect to, then select OK, then select next, then tap on register a camera, tap here, then select EOS R50, then select Bluetooth here, then select next, then select allow. You can see this camera name here, tap on that. Now it's pairing, please wait, then tap on pair. Then in camera, select next, connect to this camera. Okay, select next, connecting, please wait. Okay, done. You can see it's paired with CPH2321. That is the name of the mobile phone. Okay. Here we can see Bluetooth symbol. That means we have successfully connected this camera to this app via Bluetooth. Okay, then in camera select OK. So now we can control this this camera using this app via Bluetooth. So let me tap on shoot. See, for this we need to set up Wi-Fi. So it automatically created one Wi-Fi hotspot. Let me select it. Is connecting. See, connection established. Now I can take picture and control it. So this way we can pair camera with Canon Camera Connect app using Bluetooth. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.